Are you looking for fun things to do in Vancouver?
Well, the Sky Gondola in Squamish, British Columbia is just that.
That's what we're fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we have in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west. Now Cole's going to school and we are loving this crazy life.
On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on really cool adventures like this one. So if you're new here, click subscribe and join the younger gang, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
And if you'd like to check out some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up.
We're really excited because today we're headed to the Sky Gondola in Squamish, British Columbia.
So Squamish is only about an hour north of Vancouver. We actually were looking for an Airbnb to stay at in Vancouver and ended up at one in Squamish, and we are so glad we did. We absolutely love this place.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Today is our last day there. I'm so sad. We have to head back to the States today, but we have had so much fun and I'm so excited about this last adventure here in Squamish.
So we're gonna ride the gondola up to the top, and then there's a suspension bridge up there we can check out, and the kids are super excited because there are trails, and there's specifically a kids trail where they can like check stuff off and do little things, so they're pretty excited.
I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, so let's go check it out.
We're about to take the Sky Gondola up to, I don't really know what the name of this peak is, but we're about to take it up. The nice thing is that Kinsey and Ansley, since they're 5 and under, or actually they're under age 6, they're free, so that's cool. So we can just get a family pass, which is 2 adults, 2 youth, and then the 2 kids are free. Fine, thanks. We're in the... Can I go feet? Is it pretty?
Yes.
Look at the water.
Whoa.
Pretty cool.
Pretty fast.
Yeah. That's not a real slow ride up or anything.
Whoa. Okay. It's fun. Look.
Oh wow, that's so pretty.
Wow.
There's people kiteboarding out there. I see 3 kites, 4 kites.
There are a bunch over there.
I wanna go kiteboarding, man. Look at this. This is similar to the view. See, we were on that peak right over there. Right out there.
That one.
The one straight across.
We hiked them.
You see that big open rock face? That's where he climbed out on and took some pictures, I think, isn't it, Connor? Yeah, that's a good memory.
Too bad. Okay, everybody get up.
Get ready.
Okay, sit down, kids. Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll get the stroller. Okay.
Hey, hurry.
All right, we made it.
Wow, it's much hot.
There's the bridge. There's the suspension bridge.
Oh, can we go on that?
We will.
Ah!
You said you wanted to. You said you wanted to go. Okay. We're gonna get directions to the Alpine Trail.
You'll be okay for that? So I can show you.
So it's a kids trail up here on the Sky Gondola. It's a kids trail. We're excited. We had some food, got some gear, and now we're gonna park the stroller so we can go for a little walk.
This is easy. Hey, look, we gotta climb.
Nice.
Wow!
You can.
I'm climbing. How do you go around all this stuff? Oh, we're gonna go like. Hey, look, there's the first aid kit. First aid kit. Daddy, I'm up here. Right here. Why are we going up? Okay. Why are we going up here? Because you have to.
This is the way to go. Gosh, they're really liking it. Look at them, just skipping along like the 7 dwarves or something.
Hey, look, there's the knife.
Huh? Oh yeah. Are you supposed to find all those symbols?
Girl?
Yes. You missed one.
You missed a symbol. Better go back.
Oh, I gotta find it.
Come on back. Whoa. Don't hold the rope while running.
Let's see what you can find. Look around.
We had some chains to use to climb up the chief. I bet there are some chains on the climb to this peak as well. Well, go.
This is easy.
Miss, this is easy. Do it.
It's going slow.
Let's see you do it.
Okay, this is just easy.
Ansley's like, what am I doing here? Ansley did not understand the concept of the rope. She took it with her. Okay, now look how Kinsey's doing it. You pull back on the rope, Ansley, and pull yourself up with the rope.
I need a pin.
There you
go. Way to go. Whoop. That's so close. So the kids trail is pretty cool. There's questions for them to answer as they go along the trail and read the signs, and then there are things for them to find, as well as little climbing activities and things. Like there's a slide and a tunnel coming up ahead, and there have been a couple ropes for them to use to climb up some inclines. It's pretty cool and good for little ones. Connor's coming through feet first. Can you get through?
Don't come down, Haley. Okay, I'm going down. I'm coming. Kinsey!
Oh, Haley went head first. Hey, Kinsey kicked you into behind. All right, come on out of there. Oh my gosh, you got so dirty.
Oh yeah, statue. We spotted something. Go in it.
Go in.
It's a bear cave.
A bear cave.
Get out of the bear cave.
Okay, let Ansley try. Tap it on the tree, Ansley.
What?
See if you can make the sound of a woodpecker.
Oh,
What?
we found the eagle.
Oh, sweet. So we did the kids trail and are going back to the suspension bridge now. Okay.
I'm gonna try.
Okay. Here we go. It's a suspension bridge, so it's got a little bounce to it. There the girls are. Here's Kinsey. What do you think about it, Kinsey?
I liked it.
Oh, it feels so great up here.
All the way to the other side.
Of course. Wow, that's beautiful up here. I think we're actually taller than the first peak of the Chief that Connor and I climbed. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Excuse me.
I don't know why, but I'm looking down.
It's okay to look down. There's nothing wrong with looking down. Oh, look at the snow up there. This is the Pilot Suspension Bridge. It's very fun, a little bouncy. There's the view. I think this is the, what is this? The Spirit Trail viewpoint, I think. It's beautiful. There's a road we're going to be taking to Vancouver soon. What do you think about it? It's beautiful, huh? Yes. What's what?
It's amazing.
Amazing?
It's gorgeous.
I like it. This is very similar to the view from where Connor and I climbed. I think it's actually taller, so. And look at that view over there from the that deck. Ooh, what does it say about the Sasquatch?
Okay, here we go. What Pelekland did not know that it was the cave was actually the Sasquatch's home.
Ooh, interesting.
But this is all legends.
Yeah, legends are cool. Here. We're all in it. Oh, mommy, where's mommy? Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. Lindsay, do your slow walk. Your sleepy walk. Is that your sleepy walk? Kinsey and Ansley are very tired. They're ready to get in the car. We got about a 3-hour drive to Arlington, Washington, where the fifth wheel's been for the last 11 or 12 days. And then tomorrow we'll pick up Bucky. I wanted to come over and get some footage of the view. to get off. All good things must come to an end. Okay, so I've got 4:28 almost. So I'm gonna see how long it takes me to get back to the car at Shannon Falls parking area. I'm gonna try to hustle. So here we go. Running with my camera pack, that may be interesting. Shannon Falls, here we go. I'm tired now. Told him I thought I could make it in 10 minutes. We'll see. So except for the elevation gain coming right from the gondola towards Shannon Falls, it's a pretty easy walk. Ooh, I'm coming up on 10 minutes soon. All right, start the car. Let's see the official time. So what have we got? Ooh, looks like 4:39. So right at 9 minutes. Now to go get everybody else. So the Sea to Sky Gondola was lots of fun. All told, it was about a 5-hour little trip here. I think we started around 11:30 and it's now 4:40. The Sea to Sky Gondola and area are really beautiful. The lady told me that it is a 2 to 5 hour hike, 885 meters and 7.5 kilometers. So maybe next time. Well, I don't know about you, but I had a blast today.
It was a lot of fun. I thought it would be fun, but I had no idea it would be that much fun.
Yeah, riding the gondola up, the sights were amazing, and then
So
from the
beautiful.
top, that suspension bridge is really cool.
It took a little bit of coaxing to get our girls on the suspension bridge,
Yeah.
but once they were on, they really enjoyed it.
And then the kids really enjoyed the trail. They had so much fun checking out the little things and keeping track of what they found and stuff. It was a lot of fun.
Good lunch too.
Yeah, we ate lunch up there. It was great. So now you've seen our visit to the Sea to Sky Gondola in Squamish, British Columbia.
Now we want to know, what are some of your favorite things to do in the Vancouver area?
Let us know in the comments down below. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and let us know. And also click subscribe and join the younger gang so you can become a part of our community.
And we hope to check out some of our other videos right over there.
So, riding the Sea to Sky Gondola up to the top, taking our kids on some cool trails that they really enjoyed, and then making them cross kind of a scary suspension bridge. Sharing it with you guys, that's just another way that we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.